Hey guys, this is SD here, and this is my first video for motor vlogging. I'm quite new to the motorcycle touring scene, and I've started 2 years back, and in 2 years I've clocked around 20,000 kilometers in my bike, which is this one, the Bajaj V15. And yeah, till now I've been using a Fox guards for elbows and knees, which is this one. I've got it from Amazon, and then right now I have ordered a jacket, touring jacket, which is the Venom Asphalt touring jacket, which is an all-weather jacket, and I've got it for 7,000 rupees from Amazon. It's around 7,000 rupees. The link will be in the description. You too can go there and buy it out. Today I'll not be doing a review of that. I'll do an unboxing because I have received it today itself. So I'll do a unboxing, and then maybe after quite a few days of using it and wearing it, riding through the city, as well as riding for long tours, I'll be doing that. Okay, so let's get with the unboxing. So here is the box that you can see. It's pretty huge for a jacket, so I've just opened it up from here. Okay, I just used my knife, and I just have cut the tapes that were been there for securing the luggage. And now let's open it up and let's see what's inside and how the jacket looks. Okay, now let's open this side up. Now we have this side here. And we have this side here. It's done as well. Okay, now opening this. Okay. Oh well, big bags, air-filled bags, and we have another box in there. Okay, that's a good packing, great packing by Amazon. Now let's bring this up. Well, I have taken this box out of the main box here, so this is the box. Okay, now let's open this from here. Done from here. Okay. Done. Now let's open it from this side. Okay. This should be pretty easy. Okay, done. Let's see what's inside. Okay, that's huge. Oh, it has static buildup. Okay, I can feel it. Alright, let's get it out of the plastic bag. Okay, there is a knot. Let me untie this. We'll get back. Well, untied, and let me bring this out of the packet. Oh, it's heavy. It's really heavy. Alright, so this is the jacket. It has a good quality mesh liner, as it seems. Alright, yeah, this cost me around 700 rupees. So you have Velcro straps here for adjustment. You have liners, rain liners. This is the rain liner, I guess, and this is the thermal liner. Yeah, this is the waterproof liner, and this is the thermal liner. Okay, we have these two liners, and we do have some protective covering here. I was worried whether it was just for the elbow or throughout the forearm. It seems throughout the forearm it's this big here. We have one over here, and we have a few in the back. Great, looks great. Have the Venom logo here and reflective lines here. Okay. Alright, I think I'll do another review of this after riding this for some time. We have another adjuster here to adjust the tightness, I think, of the bicep. Yeah, and also another velcro strap here at the neck, and we have this chain, the zip here. All right, I think I'll do another review of this jacket after I use it, and once I've used it for a few days in the city and for a few days in the for long rides, maybe I'll be at a better position to review this. However, we have this jacket here. It's heavy. Okay, that's the packing. So that will be it for today, and let's meet up again. Alright, that will be it for today, and thanks for watching. And if you do like the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe, because I'll be posting a video every week regarding touring with a 150cc motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Bye.